Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So the topic that we will discuss today it is the disadvantages of the hard water. As we have already learned, the water which is not producing the leather with soap, that water is known as the hard water, and that hardness of water is just because of the bicarbonates, chlorides, and the sulfates of both calcium and magnesium. Now, what are the main causes of the hardness of the water and what are its main disadvantages? We will learn today. Basically, we use the water at domestic level, that is also used in industries and also used in the steam generation in the boilers. At domestic level, we use the water for the washing purpose, for the bathing, for the cooking, for the drinking purpose. So this is the use at the domestic level. On the other hand, the industrial use of the water is in the textile industries, in the sugar, in the dyeing industry, paper industry, laundry, and the pharmaceutical industries. All these industries this use the water in one way another way. On the other hand, it is used in the steam generation, the boilers. It is producing scales and sludges formation. It is using in priming and forming. It is using in the caustic cost that is known as the caustic embrittlement, and it is causing at the gradient. So all these are the main causes or the uses of the water, and if it is a hard water, then it may be harmful for the use at domestic, industrial, as well as in the steam generation and the boilers. So let's have a look on that. What are the main disadvantages? The first disadvantage of the hard water we have, it consumes a large amount of soap when it is used for the washing purpose, as it is producing large amount of soap. In this picture you can see that here we use the soft water and here we use the hard water. So you can see that here is more leather produced by the soap and here is the soap is more, but we have no leather production. So when the hard water is there, the amount of soap will be used in large amount, whether it is for the washing purpose. On the other hand, when we have the soft water, then less soap will be consumed. So this is the first disadvantage of the hard water. Then we have the second disadvantage of the hot water, that it is used for the drinking purpose. When it is used for the drinking purpose, it can cause the stomach disorders, along with when it is used for the cooking purpose at domestic level. So it can cause many stomach disorders. It is may include the simple pain in the stomach orders or maybe the cramps, and may also cause the other infectious diseases of the stomach in the living organism. So in turn, the stomach may started to get be pain due to these magnesium and calcium salts present in the water. Then we have the third disadvantage of the hard water, which is the formation of the scales. When the hard water it is used in the different turbines, then what does just happened? It is making up insoluble calcium and magnesium salts. So these calcium and magnesium salts just started to deposit on the surface of the turbines and they are making up these types of the scales. So this is the simple thing which you can see, it is having no scales production and it is clean and clear because here we use the soft water. On the other hand, when the hard water is just running up through this substance, it will form the scales inside and will not work well. So this is also the main disadvantage of the hard water. Then we have it reduces the efficiency of the engines. So it is basically unfit for the steam engines and also unfit for the boilers, because here you can see that the different calcium and the magnesium salts, these started to deposit on the surface of the boilers and the steam engines. In turn, the white scales, you can see that this is a simple production of the scales. So this is the part where we use the soft water, and this is the part where we use the hard water. So the difference you can also see that. In turn, it reduces the efficiency of the engine. Just not only reduces that, but also causes the boilers maybe burst. So we can not use the hard water in the steam engines for the production of the steam as well in the boilers. So it is unfit for the use over there. Then we have the hard water, it hampers the cleaning action of the soap. That how it hampers the cleaning action of the soap. When we use the soap, as the soap is containing the sodium salt, which is the long chain of the carboxylic acid, basically it is containing the fatty acids. And on the other hand, when we have a look on the hard water, here the hard water, it contains the salts of magnesium as well as the salts of calcium. So these ions just react with the soap, and when they get react with the soap, they will make the insoluble calcium and magnesium salts, as they are soluble, but on reacting with the soap they will make insoluble salts of both calcium and magnesium, different fatty acids, and this just makes the material which is named as the scum. Now that scum is just having the large amount of soap is get wasted, and it just reduces the efficiency of the soap. So this was all about today's lecture. I hope you guys understand, and if you have any queries you may ask me about that in the comment section. And the next topic that we will discuss, it is the simple water pollution and its effects. For that time, you guys keep learning and have a good day.